as the weather warms up. Just be careful going downhill as it starts warming up because it's going to get sloppy real fast. Just be careful wherever you are because it's going to get sloppy. I mean, I rode in Friday. I know we had the school canceled. I got here too early. And the roads were phenomenal because they were frozen solid, packed down, and I was standing on the bike just screaming in. On the way down the hill Friday was heart in the throat the whole way. Just everything was loose and slopping around. So just it's downhill when it's loose. That's the cars and bikes. Cars more so. I actually got into a verbal fight with a dude on Friday. He said something about, I can't believe you're being that unsafe, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, you're in a 3/4-ton truck with an empty bed, screaming at a bicyclist. Who's more unsafe? And he's like, "Bah!" And he slammed on the gas and peeled away, fishtailing. Darwin Award candidate. Thank you for proving the point. But anyway, don't be that guy. Any of you. All right. So be careful. Down the hills. Down the hills is always scarier than up the hills. We were in the middle of studying randomness. And we're going to finish this up today and take it into its big brother probability later. And we did this via some experiments. The first experiment we did was I had you guys guess what a coin flip would do. That was the first experiment. That was about a week ago. I think it was this time last week. Pretty sure. I had you fill the front board with your guesses at what a coin flip would do, and then you actually flip the coins and put them over on the sideboard. We were in a different room. It just hit me. I'm like, wait a minute, there was a board here on Monday. But we switched rooms with Doug last Monday. Sorry. I had a brain fart moment. There was a board there. It was large. Okay, so, and it was fun. What were some of the things you noticed? The differences between what you guys guessed the coin flips would look like and what the coin flips actually did. What are some things you noticed? Do you remember? Tell me why. How does that look? Random in what way? Yes, I love that. I love that.
Like, I don't know, ours just seemed like...
Go. Yes.
I don't... It's really...
No, say it. Ours seemed to...
What's the word? Ours seemed to...
I think...
Not normal.
I like what you're saying.
Weird?
Even... Predictable, flip-floppy.
Yeah.
I love what you're saying. You're saying the right thing. You're saying what I'm thinking. I think so. Essentially, what we saw up on the front board was we saw too many flip-flops back and forth between heads and tails. Now, you guys know that when you flip a coin, what's the chance you get heads?
50-50.
Right, 50-50. What does that mean?
50%.
What does that mean?
Means one
Yes, it does 50%.
Yeah, one
out of 2 times roughly, it'll land.
Define roughly. Because that's what this said is the problem we had.
Either way, that's what randomness is.
It
can
could
go
be
either way.
heads, tails, or it could be tails, heads, or it could be tails, tails. Like,
Or it could be heads, heads.
Yeah.
And that's in 2 flips. How about in 3 flips? So let's go with this. Let's go with this. Hang on now. Hang on now. This is, you actually proven the point very well.